Hey there, it's Nuhi from Modulify. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple step of creating a complete sitemap using Modulify's AI-powered builder. Whether you're starting from scratch or from an existing idea, this will help you create the full structure of the website in minutes. So let's jump into it. Open Modulify, where all your projects are located. There, you'll see three options. Start with AI. Let's Modulify create your website structure based on a simple prompt. Start from blank. Build everything manually from scratch. Or import from a website. This brings existing website and builds on top of it. For this walkthrough, we're gonna use the AI method. Let's start by creating a new AI project. Give it a clean, memorable name so you can organize later. Next, you'll write a prompt that describes the company and the goal of the website. You can add any extra detail to help the AI understand the website better. Now, click Generate. Modulify AI will read your prompt and create a structure based on what you wrote. This will include all the pages and sections based on the prompt. Now, let's customize the homepage. Once the sitemap is generated, let's begin by tweaking the homepage layout. You can add a new section by selecting Add Component and give it a name and a description. You can delete section by simply pressing backspace or reorder them by using the arrows on your keyboard. Make the homepage feel right before you move to the other pages. You can add blank pages so you can build them manually with components from our library, or you can remove any of the pages you don't like. Want to add a specific page? For example, to add a contact page, you just simply type contact page with a contact form, location map, and an FAQ section. Instantly created a complete component based on your description. Now, all that's left to do is for you to use global sections. If you want to reuse components across different pages, global components is what you need. This lets you edit once and reflect the changes site-wise. Perfect for things like headers, footers, and call to actions. And that's it. You just created an entire website structure using Modulify's AI. Now you're ready for the next step. Convert your sitemap into wireframes. And let's bring your website idea to life.